Hi students, welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. This session will give you an idea about the distribution of phonemes in English RP. Each language has its own restrictions regarding the distribution of its phonemes and their combinatory possibilities. This area is covered by Phonotactics, which can be considered a branch of phonology. It deals with the way phonemes combine to form syllables. In other words, it studies the structure of syllables in terms of phonemes and also their context of occurrence. What do you understand by distribution in phonology? The different phonemes in a particular language occur in specific contexts or environments. In phonology, the term distribution refers to the occurrence of phonemes in certain contexts or environments. That is, the possible combinations of phonemes in a language. For example, consider the phoneme A. It does not occur at the end of English words. In other words, we can say that there is no English word ending with the sound A. So, we can state the distribution of A as A occurs in word initial and medial positions but not in final position. Now, let's take a look at the distribution of English RP consonants. All the consonants in English except ng, r, h, y, w and r occur in word initial, medial and final positions. Ng occurs word medially and word finally. The consonant r occurs medially. In a few words, r occurs initially as in rang and finally as in garage. The consonants h, y and w occur in initial and medial positions but not in final position. In RP, the phoneme r occurs word initially and word medially, but it does not occur finally in words. Linking R. When a word ends with the letter R and the next word begins with a vowel, and if there is no pause between the two words in connected speech, the final letter R of the first word is pronounced. This is called linking R. For example, in expressions like butter and jam, far away, the final letter R of the first word is pronounced. Here, the R in the word butter is followed by the vowel sound A. So, the letter R is realized as phoneme R in pronunciation. But the R sound will not be pronounced if the R in spelling is not followed by a vowel. Next we have intrusive R. When one word ends in a vowel and the next word begins with a vowel, and if there is no pause between the two words in connected speech, R is inserted between the two words. This use of R is called intrusive R. Here is the example. Lord and order. The pronunciation of these without the intrusive R is equally correct. Distribution of pure vowels in English RP. All the vowels in English except U, O, A and A occur in word initial, medial and final positions. O, A and A occur in initial and medial positions. The phoneme U does not occur in word initial position. It occurs freely in the middle of words. It occurs finally only in the accented form of the word to. Distribution of diphthongs in English RP. All the diphthongs in English except wa occur word initially, word medially and word finally. The diphthong wa does not occur initially in a word. 5 out of the 8 diphthongs of English RP, a, I, oi, ow and ow may be followed by a within a word. So that's about the distribution of phonemes. Here comes the questions for you. Please do answer these questions. Thank you so much for paying attention.